Hello and welcome everyone, Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes C-Class W203 and how to change the parking light bulb. So as you guys are seeing right now, that bulb inside right there on my driver's side is working. But if I come here on my passenger side, this bulb is out. So we have a dead bulb and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can change it. The first thing you want to do is make sure your lights are turned off. And then open the hood. As far as the bulbs that I use, I will have them linked down below in the description box in case you guys need a pair as well. But now let's get started. So this is the bulb that's bad. We're going to go back here and locate this cover. And this cover, to take it off, it's held on by a tab. You're just going to push it and it opens. So we're going to remove this cover out of the way. With the cover out of the way, you're going to see this. We are not going to be touching this. This is the other bulb. You're going to go down here, and if you see this gray wire, you're just going to go behind it and pull. And once you pull, this is going to come out, and this is the bulb that's bad. And now to replace it, we're just going to pull this one out and then grab our new one and then put it into our socket. And before you reinstall it back in, it's always a good idea to test it. On, and it's working. And now to reinstall, it's pretty straightforward. There are two holes, one there, and we're going to install on the bottom one. So grab the bulb. There's no turning or anything necessary. It just pushes into place. Then grab your cover, insert it into these two tabs, and push down. Just like that. Once you hear the click, it's locked into place. And now if I show you guys, both sides are working perfect. My parking lamp is completely working on the passenger side as well as the driver's side. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video on how to change your parking light bulb on your Mercedes C-Class W203. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, Mr. Carman, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.